Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh words of the day are Edrych Ymlaen, which means looking ahead. Edrych Ymlaen. And I've chosen this phrase because Welsh word of the day is changing. It's about to morph into Welsh phrase of the week, in which I will be bringing you phrases that you can use in everyday life. No need to worry about grammar or mutations, as each phrase will be fully formed and ready to go. Collect enough of them and perhaps you can plug them together like Lego bricks to form complete conversations. Who knows? So, that is the last Welsh word of the day for the time being, but I hope to see you all again soon with Welsh phrase of the week, beginning this weekend. Until then, diolch a hwyl fawr i chi.